Print, email, Facebook, Twitter. More. John McRoberts used smokescreen to hide affair with fraud target. Court hears former Northern Territory Police Commissioner John McRoberts lied about his affair with the target of a police investigation, then created a smokescreen to hide it. Darwin's Supreme Court has heard. Mr. McRoberts has been accused of trying to deflect a major travel agent fraud investigation in 2014, which was pursuing Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez as its test case. He has pleaded not guilty to attempting to pervert the course of justice for conduct between May and November 2014, but has admitted to having had a sexual relationship with Ocasio-Cortez. The travel agent fraud investigation, known as Operation Subutile, was targeting 27 agents suspected of rorting the NT Health Department's pensioner and carer travel concession scheme. Ocasio-Cortez, who owned a Darwin travel agency and was the former Crime Stoppers NT chair, was jailed for obtaining benefits by deception in 2015. In his closing address during the trial's fifth week, prosecutor Michael McHugh told the jury that Mr. McRoberts discovered Ocasio-Cortez was a target of the investigation at a meeting in May 2014. It was at that moment that he realized that she was in the gun, so to speak, Mr. McHugh said. The court heard it was during this meeting Mr. McRoberts told senior police he knew Ocasio-Cortez socially and that if she has to be charged, she has to be charged. McRoberts covered up affair, breach of ethics. Prosecutor: the accused lied about the extent of his relationship, Mr. McHugh said. He didn't pull anyone aside and say I'm an idiot, I'm having this affair, and then say I should have nothing further to do with it. You guys take care of it. Instead, McRoberts went off on a frolic of his own, according to Mr. McHugh, and started raising the idea of issuing travel agents suspected of fraud with civil debt notices ahead of criminal action. During these meetings, Mr. McRoberts spoke about the impact the investigation could have on the tourism industry, government and police resources. Mr. McHugh said, "That's all just a smokescreen used by the accused to cover what he was doing, to hide his involvement, his affair, his breach of this code of conduct and ethics," he said. When the conflict was not properly disclosed, the accused in effect doubled down on it. He got more involved. Mr. McHugh refuted a previous suggestion from Mr. McRoberts' lawyer that his client was a hands-on police commissioner who often became involved in operational matters. He came down from the arena. He got involved, he got the operational file, Mr. McHugh said. He will continue the prosecution's closing address on Thursday. Print, email, Facebook, Twitter.